Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the relations. This relations command is used to quickly track geometrical dependencies in drawings, and you can also manage them with this functionality. This is a special type of 2D element, and we can visually render in drawing screen the types of the types and parameters of the geometrical dependencies between construction elements. This is quite easy to use, and to show you I will make something not too complex, a couple of lines and some circles. So this kind of line, this one here, I'll create one line here, and two circles, tangent, tangent, and tangent, tangent, tangent. So very easy, and basic relations between the elements, but nothing defined. Now we can go to this menu, parameters, and we have this function, relations. Quite easy. And we have these relations here, okay, that we can apply. And the functions inside, so we can create an automatic thing creating relations for all elements, so something like this, and the system automatically creates these relations. Or we can go and say, I want a certain type of relation. Let us say, for example, clean all of this. So tangency, and I can say apply to one element, which is this and this, and you get the relations for this particular element, okay? So we can manage these things in geometry. I will use all of them to be easier. And besides the visual look of these dependencies, it serves also in transparent mode to come here and say I want to change this value here, for example, to another value, and it will change, okay? And we can do this for all values we have. So things will change and adapt to the new values we give here. As you know already, this is parametric, okay? It keeps the relations and it will adapt and change. We can grab these things here and, for example, parameters, relations, we can see them all, okay? Open them all. We can grab one of these guys here and say, oh, it's in front of something, so I will push it to another place, okay? This is something that we can do also. And one very interesting thing, we can have a little list as a list of values for a particular relation. For example, this guy here, we can click with this open. I can make a right click with my mouse, and I can say edit value list. It is something inside that I don't know why, and I will start to add values, for example, a couple of them. 40, a new one, 45, and one more, 50. So okay, and now say 41. If I open this, I have this list, and it can be changed, and the drawing will adapt having this value in consideration. So basically the relations command, it's used for this kind of action inside T-Flex, okay? We can have more things, and one of the very important things we may link to this is the variables topic that we will see in one of the next lessons.